Have you ever been stranded on the side of the road because of an unexpected engine problem? Or maybe you've heard stories of people having to pay thousands of dollars for engine repairs? The truth is, most engine failures don't happen suddenly. They build up over time due to neglect or small mistakes that go unnoticed. Your car's engine is like its heart. If it fails, your vehicle becomes nothing more than an expensive piece of metal. But the good news is that most engine failures can be prevented with regular maintenance and good driving habits. Welcome to today's video, where we'll break down the ultimate guide to preventing engine failure. Whether you're a new driver or a seasoned one, these tips will help keep your engine running smoothly for years to come. First, let's start with the importance of regular oil changes. One of the biggest causes of engine failure is neglecting oil changes. Think of engine oil like the blood in your body. It keeps everything moving, reduces friction, and prevents overheating. But over time, oil breaks down, collects dirt, and loses its ability to lubricate properly. When oil becomes too thick and contaminated, it can't flow freely through the engine. This leads to increased friction between moving parts, causing excessive wear and tear. If left unchecked, the engine components will start grinding against each other, leading to overheating, warping of metal parts, and eventually complete engine failure. This is why regular oil changes are so important. Most manufacturers recommend changing the oil every 3,000 to 7,500 miles, depending on the type of oil you use. If you drive in extreme temperatures, tow heavy loads, or make frequent short trips, you may need to change your oil even more often. Always check your owner's manual for specific recommendations. And one more thing, don't forget about the oil filter. It traps dirt and debris, preventing them from circulating through the engine. A clogged oil filter can be just as damaging as dirty oil itself. Keep an eye on your engine cooling system. Engines generate an incredible amount of heat when they run, and without a properly functioning cooling system, they can overheat within minutes. The cooling system circulates a mixture of water and antifreeze through the engine to absorb excess heat and regulate temperature. However, if you ignore your coolant levels, you risk serious engine damage. Low coolant can lead to overheating, which in turn can cause head gasket failures, cracked engine blocks, and even complete engine breakdowns. A leaking radiator hose, a failing water pump, or an old thermostat can also contribute to cooling system failure. To prevent overheating, check your coolant levels regularly and top them off if needed. But remember, never open the radiator cap while the engine is hot. The pressure inside can cause hot coolant to spray out, potentially burning you. Instead, wait until the engine is cool before checking or adding coolant. And don't forget to flush and replace your coolant every 30,000 to 50,000 miles to remove any buildup of rust and contaminants. Don't ignore the check engine light. A check engine light is often seen as a source of anxiety for drivers, but ignoring it can lead to costly repairs down the road. This warning light doesn't always mean immediate danger, but it does indicate that something in your engine isn't functioning properly. The most common reasons for a check engine light include a loose gas cap, a faulty oxygen sensor, worn-out spark plugs, or an issue with a catalytic converter. While a loose gas cap is a simple fix, problems like a bad oxygen sensor can reduce fuel efficiency and cause long-term engine damage if not addressed.